Hey guys, it's Allerin Wolves, and I'm having to talk fast because my phone is on 4%. But this is one of my newest customs. Yay! I'm really proud of him. I've had him sketched on a piece of paper for the longest time. Oh my god. His name is Aiden, and he is actually one of Zephaniah's siblings. He's her older brother. He's the third oldest of Zyphon and Ace's kids. And Zyphon and Ace are Zephaniah's mom and dad, of course. Like I said, though, his name is Aiden. I'm really proud of his scars. I think that they turned out absolutely amazing, especially like this one and the one on his leg. That's actually, I tried to make it look like a bite, like where he got bit. I think it looks pretty okay. Just a random scratch here, and then I love the ones on his eyes as well. I might take these two off, but I don't know. But I'm really proud of him. Really proud of him. He's so freaking cute. I love him. He's got this mark right here. Yeah, he can. He's so cute though. Again, really proud of him. This leg's gray, and then this one's black, and then that one's antique white, I think is what the color is called. But yeah, so I just decided to do a little overview of him because he's my custom entry for Savage Wolves custom contest thingy. So yeah, I hope everyone likes him. Oh, and he has green eyes like Zephaniah.